Friends, in this video we are going to find out the maximum element in the given array, means which one is the maximum in this array. So I have taken an array with data with element 10, 90, 45, 324, 35, 100 and 75. So to solve this question I have taken a variable with name max, and my first step will be to compare value at index 0 and value at index 1. So at 0 index the value is 10 and at 1 index value is 90. So which one is greater between these two? I am going to store that value into the maximum variable. So once I compare these value, 90 is greater than 10. So I am going to store that 90 into the maximum variable. And starting from second index and onwards, I am going to compare these values, these index values with max variable. And if the given index value is greater than maximum variable, then I am going to store that index value into the maximum variable. Otherwise we will ignore. So at index the value is 45 and I am going to compare this 45 with this max value 90. So in this case max variable is greater than this second index value, means 90 is greater than 45. So there will be no change. Just move to next index. So at index 3 the value is 324 and 324 is greater than this max value. So I am going to store this 324 into the max variable and move onwards. Now compare 4 index. At 4 index value is 35 and in our max variable the value is 324. So 35 is less than 324, so there will be no change. We will move to the next index. Next index will be 5 and at 5 index the value is 100. It is also less than maximum variable value, so there will be no change. Now move to the next index. Next index is 6 and it's the value at index 6 is 75. It is also less than the 324, so there will be no change. And now implement this logic into the Java code. So first what I will do, first I will compare 0 index value with 1 and which one is larger. I am going to store that value into the max variable. As you can see, I have taken an array with value 10, 90, 45, 324, 35, 100 and 75. I have also taken max variable. So first I have compare value at index 1 and value at index 0. Which one is larger? I am going to store that value into the max variable. And starting from second index, I is less than, int I is equal to 2, I is less than array dot length I plus plus. If value at current index, means if array of I is greater than max variable, then we are going to store that index value into the max variable, means max is equal to array of I. Otherwise we will do nothing. At the end we are going to print out this max variable. Okay, this is all about to find out maximum element in the given array. Just run the program and you can see the output will be 324. Just run one more time. Yeah, you can see that I have run this program 2 times. That's why the value is 324. So this is all about to find maximum element in the given array. We will meet you in next video.